What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about XDC today. I wanted to touch base because a couple days I was talking about it when it was worth about 5.6 cents, and I said in my video that it could go to 80 to 95 cents. I want to clarify that I actually meant 8 to 9.5 cents. I said that. And at some point in my video too, I said 6.5. Technically, I said 65 cents to 70. 60 to 75 cents, something like that. I really meant 6.5 to 7.5. I had my decimals off. I had dyscalculia, which I was looking up here. What's dyslexia for numbers? I was having that. I don't know if that's actually like fitting for that, but I was off by a decimal. Is what I'm trying to say. So my prediction that it would go to 80 cents, I meant 8 cents. 95 cents, I meant 9.5 cents. And the reason for that, again, even with the confusion thrown in there, if we were to take this top to bottom here and have our fibs on, our 618 is right there at 7.9 cents, which I called 79 cents accidentally, and 9.4 cents, which I called 95 cents accidentally. So somewhere in there, in that range, is where I was expecting us to top off. I might take the time now to redact that, because if this week were to close red, and we're up 11%, which is nice, but if this week were to close red, or even slightly green, like 1% in the green or 2% in the green, we would have the potential for bearish divergence to form. Because right here, right in this crux, right there, like where the line bends, that's where the current top of this week is. This week hasn't closed yet, so this part of the line, it can move up, it can move down, whatever. But by the end of the week, which right now is about 2 days away, this could present bearish divergence, which wouldn't be a good look, especially if we're expecting this to go up to the 618. Beyond that, on the daily, we do have bearish divergence presenting itself. We have a high here and a lower high here, higher high here. The higher high actually came on this red candle. Where it closed, though, you can see it over here in the percentage, it's red, but it says plus 34%. Or 3.4%, where this one says negative 5%. So you can see the close is still higher. This just happens when you have low volume on certain exchanges. You get gaps, that's what they call them. And that's why it looks like a red day, because where the day opened compared to where it closed, it is down, but overall it was an up day from where the previous day closed, if that makes sense. So we do have bearish divergence presenting itself. Counter to that, we have lower lows here while presenting higher lows in the chart. That is hidden bullish divergence. That actually would suggest that we see some continuation. Maybe we do get up to the 618 to the 69 area that I was thinking about. Maybe we don't. I don't know. And that's where we're going to look at the shorter time frames to kind of get the gist of this. Because at the moment, this doesn't look half bad, right? You're kind of, I guess right there, that does look kind of bad. But I don't know. Maybe you could adjust this line. I don't really like diagonal lines, but I don't know, man. If you were to adjust it a little bit, it would be, you could make it fit. I don't know, maybe not. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame before we totally give up on this thing, though. Let's see here. Looking at it, it does kind of look like it's rolling over, to be fair, actually. Looking at the 4-hour, it's a little bit more distinguished, I would say. Yeah, it looks like it. I think that that 7.9 cent to 9.5 cent area I was looking for might actually not come into fruition. I did call on this day that we had continuation afoot, that we, a couple times, most of the video I was actually saying around like 60 to 65 cents was kind of what I was expecting. But at the end, I definitely clarified that I was expecting us to go to the 618. We could still go there, and I do inevitably expect us to go there, but we might take a little break in the meantime. We do have this lower high, lower low formation in the RSI on the 4-hour at the moment. What we'd like to see if we want this continuation to hold is we would like to not go below this low in the RSI, in my opinion. We'd like to find a bounce soon and get back above the 50, get into stronger areas of the RSI, try to break this lower high structure. That would be very suggestive that we are indeed going to those numbers that I'm thinking. And if not, if we do actually continue to go lower, we stay in this range, that I think that'll just fit with further downside to come than what we're experiencing now. Right now, we're just kind of consolidating. So let's see. I wonder on the 1-hour. So I hate charts like this, man. They just don't look good, Technically, you have hidden bullish divergence on the 1-hour and on the 4-hour as well, but all it needs is time to move down, and if it moves down, if we get lows that close below here, this will be invalidated hidden bullish divergence, and we will in fact likely go down to the purple line. And if we were to look at it, overall, going back to the daily now, keep hopping all over the place. Let's see. If we were to, nope, no. This one right here. Yeah, if we were to take a fib from this low here to this high, we're at the 236 now. It wouldn't be completely unprecedented to go down to the 5 cent, if not even the 4.1 cent area. And wouldn't you know it, right there at the 618. If I put a line right here at this top, right there, that would be right at the 618 there. So could we go down that low? We possibly could. Yes. Could we wick down to the 618, bounce off it, and close above it, right around where this like topping area is over here and here? I think we could. We really could see some support down at the 3.8 to like 4.2 cent area. And I think that might be coming. Looking at the overall time frames, I do think we're bullish for continuation. I do think that we're going to go higher, but like at the moment, let's see. I don't know. At the moment, we're breaking above the 50. That's nice. At the moment, though, I think we're showing some resistance. We are showing some bearish things in the daily and the weekly potentially. It just takes time. If today were to close green, or this week were to close where it is but a little bit higher, that would be very nice to see, honestly. But at the moment, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, they don't look too good, to be completely fair. And I don't know what to make of the 15-minute. It's hard. It's kind of unfortunate that we don't have enough going on with this to make an honest guess on it. But other than like on the longer term time frames, I mean, you could do analysis this way. I just hate, man. I hate charts that look like this. I hate it. There's a whole lot of gaps. It's a whole lot of dispersed price action. I don't know if I like it. All you can really make out from this is like higher lows and lower highs, which we have lower highs, lower lows, stuff like that. So it's not encouraging, at least in the shorter term time frames, from what I can make out of it. So that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. I wanted to clarify first that I don't think it's going to 80 cents or 95 cents right now. I think inevitably it very well could by the end of the bull market, but right now I think that we actually might be making our way down toward 4 to like 5 cents, somewhere in that range. I know that's a big range, but somewhere in there for sure. Likely in the area where we kind of topped off before, once, twice, 3 times, something like that. So somewhere around there, that's 4.3 cents where that line is specifically. We could go a little bit below that and be fine. We could even go all the way back down to like 3 cents and be fine. As long as we're holding these higher lows and higher highs, I think it looks good. But at the moment, this bearish divergence on the daily definitely, and then the bearish divergence on the weekly too, or on the 4 hour, I'm sorry, to me are suggesting that we probably do go lower. We probably have had our little bit of fun. Volume is declining, so I think this might be rolling over right now. That's all I wanted to say. So if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.